for just a nice wee swing around, you know. I mean, yeah, it might be more fun doing this when I was drunk, JP, but... Right, so I brought you here to the Penthouse in Pattaya. You've heard of low hotels in Japan, well, this is equivalent in Thailand. Maybe a lot different. Take you in and show you the rooms. A pool table. There we go. I'll show you the room next. I'm just walking up to the room. Look at this. Right, let's go. Like a dungeon. Okay, okay. Exciting.
No problem. ในห้องนี้ยังไม่ได้ทำห้อง
Room not ready.
ไม่รู้เล่าก่อนเอาเหมือนเดียวตอนนี้
There's a problem. Room's not ready.
Okay, that's there
Sorry, 20 minutes.
30.
okay.
Oh. Okay, no problem. Room's not ready. Right, so I just got in my room. Half hour later, here we are. Look at this. I'm in here for vlogging purposes. Look, I've got a jacuzzi with a rain shower up there. A pool. Oh, God knows. A bed, obviously. A teddy bear. A cupboard with a safe in it. I don't know what that is. I don't want to touch that. Let's put this on. Oh, that's off. Oh, hang on a minute. Something started flashing. Where is it? Lights, look. Flashy lights. Here's a swing. I'm not touching that either. I don't know where it's been. Well, it's been here, but I don't know. Another teddy bear. What's a view like? There's a view. View looks like a bit like on the back streets of Glasgow. I've got a mirror in here. I've got another shower. So I've got two showers. Got my body there wash. Please use plastic. Something provided. God knows. Bed test. Hang on. I'm going to cheat now, okay? I'm going to cheat. Oh, actually quite soft. Am I meant to jump up there? Look at it. Probably break it. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Shattered. So, staying here for one night, £40. And I'll go to a normal hotel with a swimming pool. Hang on a minute, I've been told there's a swimming pool here. I'm going looking for the swimming pool. Okay, this is the way to the fun pool, jacuzzi. Amazing, yeah? There's a swimming pool.
Swimming pool.
Down. Is it not working?
No, outside.
Outside? Second floor. So what's this?
Not you.
That's not in use. Not in use? No?
No.
All the time?
Outside. I don't know.
You don't know? Oh.
2 floor.
Up here.
Right there.
So it says this way.
Yeah. Not you.
What? I don't know what she's laughing at. She said the pool's this way, even though it's got a sign saying the other way, and she's giggling away. Alright, let's see if we can find a pool this way. I don't think she knows what she's talking about, but she works here. Well, maybe she doesn't, because my room wasn't ready. Maybe she just goes around giggling all the time. Let's have a look down here. Hello, I can't find a swimming pool. Where's the swimming pool?
It's like that.
Okay, thank you. Oh! What the hell? Oh, I've got all these stairs to the pool, look. So the swimming pool's up here. Why do you have a sign the other way? Oh, not a very big swimming pool. It's a small swimming pool. Is it warm? Oh, it's not bad, it's not bad. I suppose, well, just a bit weird though. Hi, so I'm still in this room. and I'm tired because I can't sleep. So this is just a little update on the room. I'm tired because I can't sleep because music starts. It's probably about to start now, and it goes on till 4 in the morning. So I can't sleep. And I'm going to show you a few things about this room as well. So you've got this wallpaper coming off the ceilings. There's a shower in here. The shower, it's just hot water. It's roasting hot. I can't shower in it. And pick that up. This foot is falling apart. And it doesn't fucking work either. Look, it's coming off. And it's all coming apart. And that shower's rubbish. Yeah, well, there we go. But it's cold. So the other one's too hot and that one's too cold. And you slip on your... I haven't tried the jacuzzi yet, but I doubt it'll flipping work. But you know, I might try it later. Oh, and the lights stay on at night. I can't switch the lights off. Look, all the lights won't go off. Different lights stay on. So I'm sleeping in the flipping light when I can eventually sleep. A bum gun test. Look at this bum gun. Bum gun. Look at it. Bum guns are good things, inventions, but not when they go like that. And what use is that going to do? Rubbish. It's a rubbish bum gun. Maybe I should have a shower with that. Maybe that's how to fix it. A shower with a bum gun. Let's try and get this swing. Right, let's so I can't get oh my god, foot bust. So you meant to put your feet in that. You don't want to know this, but it's actually good for just a nice wee swing around, you know. I mean, yeah, it might be more fun doing this when I was drunk, JP, but there's no chance. So that's me done a day in the life of a flipping, I would say a love hotel, but I don't think there's much love going on here, and I can't say the word on YouTube. So, there we go, update. I hope you enjoyed this mad vlog. I don't think I'll be doing any more like this. This was a one-off. Subscribe, goodbye.